safe. No. Maybe they'll swim over. They are definitely getting closer.
Can we shoot them on the water?
I think we should shoot them. Let's shoot them.
Ready?
Yeah. We got him. I'm gonna, oh, other one. Shoot him. Shoot him. He went under. I'm gonna run out there. Oh, that one's flying, bro. Hand me that shotgun. Welcome back to the channel, beautiful people. Doing a little duck hunting today. Well, okay. There, buddy. Might want to finish him off. Just don't rip his head off. We need a picture. Well, we got out here early. Is it like 20 degrees?
25.
25 degrees. Supposed to feel like 16 or 17 because we got some wind. There's two other groups that we know of for sure that are out here. So we're kind of pushing ducks around. But what we've seen so far, ducks that are coming in, they're just hitting the water. They're landing very fast. We shot 3. We covered 2 of these little guys. Kind of cool. I'm digging this little hairstyle on this guy. The third one, I don't know. He swam under and got away from me. I chased after him. You guys saw that. But anyway, so we're just waiting for the next group. Hopefully we'll see some more big ducks. And yeah, we're looking for the greenheads or the pintails. Need a pintail for my boathouse, so. It's starting to snow. Yes. Victory. Temperature dropped significantly. So we've been waiting for the snowstorm to come in. We're supposed to get 1 to 3 inches this morning. We'll see if it actually happens. I was really hoping that we'd see more ducks though. So far, not happening.
Well, we're seeing them. Just
yeah, we
really
are
far
seeing
away.
them. Heater was a freaking good idea. 2 ducks on the water, swimming our way. Yeah, they're definitely coming this way. It's a long shot, but I think we can do it. What do you think? Want to try? You take the one on the left, I'll take the one on the right. Let's do it.
Gosh, what was that shit?
I don't know. We suck. I suck. That was terrible. I had all the time in the world too. Well, there's the blind. Not terrible, but everything we were shooting today is basically like swimming in. We've only had a couple that have flown in. I don't know. It's cold out here. It's getting colder. I wish the snow would come in, and man, I wish we'd have a bunch more ducks in the air, but we'll see what happens. That was a long shot, but Clinton got his duck, so that's good. I did not. I shot terribly. What are you gonna do? That's awesome. Oh, still alive, eh? It's freaking cool.
He just peed on me.
Well, it is coming down now. I'm surprised my face is not cold.
Yeah, mine's fine.
Do I have feeling in my face? How old am I? I can't feel my face anymore. Yeah. Okay, he didn't fly. Oh, golly. It's...
Oh, he's swimming in his own blood.
Oh my gosh, that looks terrible. Should I shoot him again? What's happening? Okay. Jeez.
What, did a shark come up to take him?
I don't know.
A tiny shark?
I don't know, but he wasn't gonna fly. He's like, I ain't flying this crap. Well, guys, that completes another awesome Southwest Kansas hunt. Good morning out there. It actually felt like hunting today. You know, it's 22 degrees, winds blowing 15 miles an hour. We got snow going. So, I mean, it was cold, really cold, but it felt good. I got some new gloves actually over the weekend. They're heated. My hands never got cold. It was great. The last hunt, I was freezing to death. This go around, everything was perfect. So saw quite a few birds. We got to shoot quite a bit. Not as much as I thought we would with this wintry weather. That's a stop sign. Nobody ever stops there. It's crazy. Anyway, yeah, I thought we would see a little bit. I thought we would see a few more birds, a lot more flying with this weather. But hey, I'm not complaining. We got to shoot. And it was a good hunt. So anyway, thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Please, please, please hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel and you're not subscribed already. We appreciate it. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you guys are enjoying the videos. And yeah, I will see you on the next adventure. Be blessed.